Okay, so as everyone knows, I just became a fur mommy to my baby, Miss Ellie Belly. I am so new to like having a dog, being a fur mom. I had a harness that was on her that was from the Humane Society. For some reason, it just wasn't working for me, so I decided to research and look for her another harness. This product is from rabbitgoo. It is their harness. I got it in purple because I feel like this is Ellie Belly's color that we have, so I always get everything for her in purple. The harness is very sturdy and very supportive. It has two leash connectors, so there's one right here. There's also, hi Ellie. There's also one right here. This is the one that I connect her to. She has a thing for chickens and cats. She likes to go after them. So when I had the other harness, it was so hard to try and walk her, but I've noticed that with this one now, it's more supportive. And when she decides she wants to go out, you know, and chase a chicken or chase like cats or something, I just give her a little tug and she literally retracts back. Very good harness. 10 out of 10. I definitely would recommend it. You can get this off my Amazon storefront. You can look up Ellie's pet supplies that I have. So definitely check out this harness. And they come in a range wide of colors. And when you're walking your dog at nighttime, it glows in the dark. So it's a very good product to have.
Wohin hier? Super. Fein. Hast du gut gemacht. Sitz. So ist fein. Bleiben. Bleiben. Wohin frei? Nee, gibt nicht bei allem.
Bless you. This.